I have a practice question for you here. Now how would you use a nested for loop to print stars in this function? Note that it seems that you can still consider an outer for loop that runs 3 times. But how about the inner loop? What is the problem? This time the number of stars is not fixed like the other example. Instead, it varies within each row. So it seems that we have to be able to somehow change the range of the iterator variable within the inner loop. But how can we do that? We have not seen something similar to this so far. So please spend some time to think about this, especially if you do not have experience of implementing nested for loops in other languages. Okay. The key to answer this question lies in the fact that although the number of stars varies in each row, this number is already depending on the index of the row. But what is the index of each row? It's just the iterator variable of the outer for loop. As a result, the number of stars in each row depends on the value of the iterator variable of the outer for loop. Therefore, the inner for loop can have an iterator variable that iterates through some ranges that depends on the iterator variable of the outer loop. So now let's look at the answer. See that I iterator variable of the out for a loop and j is the same variable but for the inner for loop. As we expect, variable I changes from 1 to 3. Then the inner loop runs from 1 through the value of I. It depends on I. So when I is 1, it means that when we are talking about the first row, the inner for loop is iterated only once. When I is 2, it means that when we are creating the second row, the inner for loop is iterated twice. Finally, when I is 3, it means that when we are considering the third row, the inner for loop prints 3 stars because it is repeated 3 times. This is an example of having nested for loops, in which the iterator variable of the inner for loop depends on the value of its iterator variable of the outer for loop.